Stitch is a website that allows you to design at the speed of AI, apparently. It was made by Google, and yet today I'm going to check it out and see just how useful it can be. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I., and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So if you've ever had the idea to design an application for mobile or a website, then yeah, this could be something that's really useful for you. As you can see, first of all, we've got a toggle right here, depending on whether you want to design for mobile or design for web. I'm going to stick to web, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this prompt, which is essentially a prompt to create an app that lets people swipe left or right, similar to Tinder, on meals provided by cafes and restaurants in their local area. So of course you can pause and see what this whole prompt is about. And I think this is an idea that, I mean, someone can pick it up, it's up to you. It's just an idea I had floating around. So I'm going to say create a design, let's say a sleek design for an app that allows people to swipe left or right. I'm going to keep it on mobile in this case actually, and then I'm going to click generate designs.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. So firstly, it's asking me to clarify. To clarify, are you looking for designs for the following screens? Main swipe screen, confirmation, and payment screen. Yes, let's go with that. Nice, okay, cool. So that took about 15-20 seconds to make. This looks pretty fresh so far. Yeah, I mean, it's quite clear what you need to do, whether you want to reject or you want to say you're interested in this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You can also check out the code behind it as well, or stick to the design. You could also copy it to Figma as well if you would like, and yeah, you can do the same for this section as well. So yeah, I think this is a really good way to actually, I guess, just flesh out some ideas for designs if this is something you need to do frequently. The fact that you can copy the code to Figma as well is very cool. So definitely check it out if designing is something you do frequently. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.